Today in your phonics class, you will learn the new sound, that is O sound, short O sound. O makes the sounds like O, O. Okay? So now look at the birds. At first you see that orange bird, that is OB. When O joined with B, what sound is coming? O makes the sounds O and B makes the sounds B. So both together makes the sounds ob, ob. Okay? Let's see the first word, C-O-B, cob. The phonic sounds are K, A, B, cob. Second is job, J-O-B, job. Phonic sounds are J, O, B, job. Third is lob, L-O-B, lob. Phonic sounds are O, B, lob. Fourth is mob, M-O-B, mob. Phonic sounds are B, mob. Next, rob, R-O-B, rob. Phonic sounds are R-O-B, rob. The last one, shop, S-O-B, shop. So the phonic sounds are S-O-B, shop. Okay? Next look at the green bar, that is O-D sound. It's together makes the sounds like O-D, odd. Okay? First word is cod, C-O-D, cod. Phonic sounds are K-O-D, cod. Next is nod, N-O-D, nod. Phonic sounds are N-O-D, nod. Third one is pod, P-O-D, pod. Phonic sounds are P-O-D, pod. Last one is rod, R-O-D, rod. Phonic sounds are R-O-D, rod. Okay? Next, that blue bar, that is O-G sound. It's together makes the sounds O-G, O-G. Okay? First one is bog, B-O-G, bog. Phonic sounds are B-O-G, bog. Next, cog, C-O-G, cog. Phonic sounds are K-O-G, cog. Next is dog. Phonic sounds are D-O-G, dog. Next is fog, F-O-G, fog. Phonic sounds are F-O-G, fog. Next is jog, J-O-G, jog. Phonic sounds are J-O-G, jog. And the last one is log, L-O-G, log. Phonic sounds are O-G, log. Next is O-P, that blue bird again. O-P makes together the sound O-P. Okay? O-P. The first word is cop. So the phonic sounds are K-O-P, cop. Next is hop, H-O-P, hop. Phonic sounds are H-O-P, hop. Third one is mop, M-O-P, mop. Phonic sounds are M-O-P, mop. Fourth one is pop, P-O-P, pop. Phonic sounds are P-O-P, pop. Last one is top, T-O-P, top. Phonic sounds are T-O-P, top. Next, look at the orange bar. That is O sound. OT sound. OT together makes the sounds O, T, O, T. Okay. So the words are cot, C-O-T, cot. Phonic sounds are K, O, T, cot. Next is dot, D-O-T, dot. D, O, T, dot. Third one is hot, H-O-T, hot. Phonic sounds are H, O, T, hot. Next is lot, L-O-T, lot. Phonic sounds are U, O, T, lot. Next is pot, P-O-T, pot. Phonic sounds are P, O, T, pot. Last one is rot, R-O-T, rot. Phonic sounds are R, O, T, rot. And lastly, look at the green bar, that is OX sound. OX together makes the sounds that OX, OX. Okay. So first word is box, B-O-X, box. Phonic sounds are B, O, X, box. Okay. Next, cox, C-O-X, cox. Phonic sounds are K, O, X, cox. And the last one is fox, F-O-X, fox. Phonic sounds are F, O, X, fox. Okay. Now let's practice.